Hi everyone, welcome to another Ballet for Tutorials. I'm Jelena and today we have a short ballet choreography. This is the Port de Bras exercise from Discovering Repertoire from the Royal Academy of Dance Level 4. Now if we're ready, we are going to begin croisé. Right leg is going to be your supporting leg, pas de main tendu to the back with your left leg. With the intro of your music, we are going to breathe 5, 6 through a forced position, tendu 7, 8. And we do again a demi-plie through the forced position. 1, 2, plie en coup de pied, and 3, 4. Yes, let's do that one more time. Forget about your arms at the moment, just think about your legs. Tendu to the back, and we are going to do demi-plie to 4th, 7, tendu, 8. And again, demi-plie through the forced position. 1, tendu to the back, 2, plie en coup de pied to the back, and substitute by doing right, left, plie. And that's how we do a pas de bourrée en tournant, changing from one corner to the other one. Yes? Now with the arms. We have arms on classical pose that breathe round, round, second position. Your right arm goes demi-plie down, through the first, through the 5th. Plie that opens to second position, and now we just do an allonge and a stay. Now always remember that you can pause this, go back, practice this first phrase as many times as you need, and then you can join me. Now I'm gonna move to phrase 2. From your 5th demi-plie position, we are going to do chassé forward, same leg, same arm, in front. And a little bit of a polemon. So try to show your back to your audience. Next, we are going to do plie in that 4th position. Your arms came from an allonge, right arm by your side, left arm in front of you. And we are going to do a small rotation of your torso towards the camera, slightly back, change, together in, and open. Your arms are only going to be doing from this round position. We go in, open, up, change, down, in, and open. And this is happening as your legs are doing tendu to the back, right? So you're doing plie, tendu, rotation of your torso, and open. Yeah, we try both things together. We are going to take it from that tendu to the back with a polemon, plie. Everything is round, body weight in the center. You're going to open towards the camera, right arm up, stretch to your tendu, slightly inclination of that torso back, change your head, change your arm. Now inclination of your torso slightly towards your right arm, arms together, and open. Perfect, and that's your second phrase. I'm gonna do it one more time because it's a little bit more coordinated. But if you need to keep repeating this, go back and then do your first phrase, join the second phrase, and then join me to do it a little bit faster. So, plie, chassé, plie through the 4th, towards the camera, to the back, to the inside, and open. Awesome, that's your second phrase, just done. Now we go to the third phrase, which is just ready to finish everything to the right side and do it again. Everything starting to the left. Now we finished doing our port de bras. We're going to step with your left leg forward and fast, meaning facing your camera, your audience, or the front of your room, and same leg, same arm. Now we're going to step. We're doing piqué to 5th position croisé. Your left shoulder is going to go back, and you're facing the left diagonal in front of you. Demi-plie and fast, your left leg open, your left arm guides that movement, right shoulder back, croisé 5th position, left leg in front. Now, holding that 5th position, you're going to squeeze everything. Bring your left leg slightly back and goes all the way to an arabesque. And walk back 1, walk back 2. And now we're ready to begin everything to the left. Let's do that third phrase one more time. We are on that butt mount and you cross-step forward. Your left leg is in front. Step facing the camera. Petit développé with right. Same leg, same arm. Pique, left shoulder back. Cross-step. And fast. Right shoulder back. Cross-step. Bring everything together. Squeezing. Your left leg is going to go slowly back. Arabesque. And walk back. Second walk back, and everything ready to do it to the left. Now, I'm going to begin everything to the left side, which is just mirroring what we learned to the right. If you need to go back and repeat everything from the beginning, do so. I'm just gonna keep moving so we can finally do it with music. So to the left side, we are already in bad mountain dew forward, and we just need to bring this left arm plie through the first position. Down, round, up, plie, and 3, 4. Chasse forward, same leg, same arm. Show me your back. And now we are going to do plie through the fourth position. And again, away from the back of the room, so towards your camera. 1, change slightly back, in, and open. We are going to step with that leg that we have in front, facing the camera, right shoulder back, facing the camera, left shoulder back, squeeze everything. It's so hard to do it slow. Once you can get to do it a little bit faster, it's easier. Squeeze. Hold your breath. Right leg to the back, arabesque, and a step, and 1, close. Quick tips for when we're doing the more technical steps, such as pas de bourrée. Have you noticed how I do accent up, up, plie? And this is just because it's easier than leaving your body weight down and then transferring again. It gets just impossible. So if you do your plies and accent up, up, plie, it is just easier to transfer your body weight. When you do that chasse forward, just make sure that you bring those hips towards that front leg, yeah? Oh, hello there. So make sure that you bring that hip over the toes, that you plie in the center and immediately change back and control this left, right hip back on that tendu. On your arabesque, the most important part is that you hold the 5th position, hold your breath, bring your body weight slightly forward. And although I recommend to use these legs as a tripod, so don't immediately go to your arabesque, but use it a little bit as to balance your body weight. I do find out that it's easier for me just to go from that 5th position straight to my arabesque, hold, and then down. However, to do it more clean with more balance and control, I will also recommend just to breathe slowly, transfer the weight slightly forward with control. Now lift and down. I know that it looks quite hard, but it actually isn't once you get used to all the movements and all the diagonals. So now I'm gonna do everything from the beginning, one more time, without music, right and left, and then we do the music together. Let's begin on bas mountain dew to the back croisé, and breathe. 5, 6, plie, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, chasse, 5, 6, and 7, open, 8, step 1, pique, 2, step 3, pique, 4, hold everything up, and 5, 6, plie, 7, 8, and everything to the left, 1, 2, and accent 3, 4, chasse, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and fast, 1, right shoulder back, and fast, 3, left shoulder back, join all your arms together, squeeze, and 1, finish, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and chassé, plie, open, and squeeze everything up, plie, up, chassé, open, step 1, pique, right shoulder back, step 2, left shoulder back, together,